So I have to talk for a minute first. That way.
Why do you have
So you
to
gotta
talk?
be, oh, because it's a video. We have to tell everybody about everything.
Just start the
Okay,
video.
okay. Hey friends, welcome back to another taste test video, and we are going to be comparing. We have two new flavors of keto chow that they're new flavors, but they're also like revamps of old flavors, like a new version of a couple of flavors. And we are going to taste them. And we are also going to taste the old versions, and we will find out if we prefer the old or the new. So the two new flavors are vanilla cream and strawberry cream. So those are the new flavors, and they're of course revamps of the original strawberry and the original vanilla. And I believe we have tasted both of these before, but it's been so long that I really don't remember much about them. Do you remember tasting these?
I remember the vanilla,
You remember tasting the vanilla?
but I didn't want to taste the strawberry.
Yeah, okay, so in this taste test, Renee is only going to be tasting the vanilla options because she is convinced that she does not like strawberries.
I don't like strawberry.
I don't know how that can be possible, but she is convinced. But Levi, you like strawberries, right? So you're going to be helping me taste the strawberry cream and the regular strawberry. With keto chow, you have to figure out exactly how you prefer making it because there's so many different ways with different kinds of fats. And then you can also adjust it based on your own personal preference as far as macros, how much fat you add. You can add as little or as much as you like. And so this is the way that me and my husband tend to prefer our keto chow. Of course, you can vary it up depending on what flavors you're doing. So some might be better with cream, some might be better with butter, and so forth. But we find that we enjoy pretty much every single flavor with this method. First thing I do is add 2 ounces of butter to my Vitamix. So this is a fairly high fat version. The shake ends up being a little over 500 calories, so perfect for a keto meal. Pretty high fat percentage as well, like 78, 79% fat, which is great. Then I have already heated up my water to a boil, and I'm gonna add 4 ounces on top of the butter, and the hot water helps melt the butter, of course. I love using my kitchen scale for this because I don't have to get any measuring cups dirty. About 4 ounces. Then I'm just gonna blend this on low until the butter is pretty much just melted. Now, while it is running on low, I'm gonna put in my packet. I'm gonna do the strawberry cream here and just kind of slowly mix it in. Now I want to add 10 ounces of ice. Close enough. Now I'm just going to get this all blended up until it's like a milkshake. And there's our delicious milkshake keto chow. And I typically don't wait 30 minutes, like put it in the fridge for 30 minutes like is recommended. I've never noticed that I've disliked the taste or anything, so I just usually am in a hurry and I just want to drink it, so I don't take that step. Okay, so we have our strawberry, the 2 strawberries, and we have our 2 vanillas, and I have marked the bottom of the cup of the new versions, the strawberry cream and the vanilla cream versions, and I mixed them up. We got the same color straws in here, so even I don't know which one is which. So it's going to be like a true blind taste test. Should we do the vanilla first, Renee?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to have, this is going to be cup A. We got to keep track of the cups so that we know which one is which at the end. Go ahead and taste that one.
Okay.
And pass it to Levi.
Tastes delicious.
Tastes delicious. It's good so far.
Yeah.
Tastes delicious?
Pretty sure it's vanilla cream.
All right. All right, that's cup number A for vanilla. Now we're ready for cup number B. Number B.
I like that one.
Okay. See? Oh, I like this one better. So we have a discrepancy here.
I like this one.
Renee likes that one better. I like this one better.
I
This
like this one.
This one actually reminds me of the birthday cake flavor, which makes me think this is the newer one. And don't let me convince you. You decide really what you like better.
I don't know.
Are you ready to reveal which one is the new one?
Yeah.
Remember I said, hold on, we're not doing strawberry yet. We're still on vanilla. So I said there was a X on the bottom of the new one.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Aww.
I have the X. So you like the old vanilla better. Well, good. Now now you can have all the old vanillas and we can have all the new vanillas.
No, but I still like that.
Oh,
I
well.
like them both the same.
Well, then you can have all of them. Okay, so Levi and I voted for the new vanilla cream.
Yeah.
You ready to try? So Levi and I are going to be the only ones trying the strawberry. I will also say that there is very little difference in color. They both look the same. I was worried that I'd be able to tell the difference since I was the one that mixed these up, but they are both the same color.
This one.
So cup A for strawberry. Oh, you're not supposed to look, you stinker! You cheated, don't tell me. Okay, so don't say. Don't tell me. You little stinker. Drink it.
I'll just drink this one while you do that.
That sounds good. All right, let me try this one. Cup A for strawberry. That one's good. Tasty? Okay, ready to try cup B for strawberry? Cup B. Okay.
Let me taste a different one. It's different.
They are very different. First of all, what I will say is that they are very different. All right, try that one again. And on this one, I genuinely can't definitively say which one is the strawberry cream and which one is not. And which one is just plain strawberry. Let me try this one again.
It's cold.
And I can't decide which one I like better either. Oh man, this is so hard. I want to get it right. Hold on. I think this one's strawberry cream. Which one? Do you think this one's strawberry cream or strawberry?
Strawberry cream.
You agree with me that this one's strawberry cream? But I don't know. They taste very different, and they're both in the realm of very good. So should we do the reveal?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we were right. This one is strawberry cream. The flavor is very different, and I wish I could describe to you the difference, but I really can't. But they both taste like strawberry, but just two versions of strawberry. So you like this one best?
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm gonna try some.
Yeah, try that one again.
It's heavy.
Mm.
Lolo.
It is really, really good.
Let me try it.
Actually, you know what this reminds me of? The milk left over after you have crunch berries. Yeah, it tastes like a crunch berry milkshake. And you guys wouldn't even know what that's like, because have you ever had Captain Crunch berries?
No. Captain Crunch berries.
But that is exactly what this tastes like. It has that like strawberry cereal hint to it.
Hey, Mom.
I'm not complaining about it. It's really good. All right, so the score is Levi and I both liked the new vanilla cream and the strawberry cream better than the old versions. Renee likes the old vanilla better than the vanilla cream. That's the consensus.
I like these ones.
You like those ones with the X's? Oh yeah, you got the two with the X's. So we have all of them here, and you've already almost drunk all of this original vanilla. But out of all of these four, which one would you guys pick?
I would pick this one.
The strawberry cream. I kind of liked the vanilla cream because it reminded me of birthday cake. And I really like the birthday cake. It really reminds me of birthday cake. So I hope that this is a permanent flavor because I know that birthday cake is limited edition, but this is so similar to birthday cake that I would be happy with this if it was the permanent flavor. So if I could only pick one, vanilla cream or strawberry cream, I'd probably pick vanilla cream, but strawberry cream is not a disappointment, that's for sure. It is fantastic. All right, so how many thumbs up do you give your vanilla that was your favorite?
I give it
The suspense is killing me.
8.
8 thumbs up out of 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And Levi, how many thumbs up do you give your strawberry cream that you liked the best?
10.
10? 10 out of
3.
10 out of 3 thumbs up. I mean, it doesn't get a whole lot better than that, does it?
Yeah.
I would say vanilla cream is one of my top, in the top now. Because birthday cake has been, you know, right at the top of my range. I love the raspberry cheesecake. That's another one that's really good. But birthday cake is like right there. And the vanilla cream is so similar to the birthday cake that it's got to be right up there as well. Fantastic.
How many thumbs up do you give your favorite?
So I would have to say the vanilla cream, I'll give a 9.5. I'd say birthday cake is a 10. Raspberry cheesecake is a 10. I'll just give it a 9.5 because I can't give it exactly, you know, perfect, even though it's real close. But then the strawberry cream, I'm going to give a 9 because I do really like it also. And I could see it being a really delicious, like, refreshing flavor in the summertime. So I love both of them. If I only had to, you know, if I could only buy one of them, I would do the vanilla cream. But if you can buy 2, buy both. They're good. All right, thanks so much for hanging out for this taste test video. Oh, did you drop something? Okay. All right, come back. Okay, pop back up. Come here, you. We'll see you in the next video.
I like these ones the best.
You like those ones the best? Bye.
Bye. This is the best flavor. This is the best flavor.